Good afternoon, students. Today our new lesson theme, a film review. Okay, let's begin our new lesson theme. Open your students' book, Aspect for Kazakhstan, grade 10, page 56. Types of film: Western, war film, science fiction film, an action film, comedy, romantic film, romantic comedy, thriller, horror film, musical, crime and detective film, and a drama. What types of film do you like, students? What is a film review? Title of the film, released year, director's name, lead actors, and the genre. Open your student's book aspect and read this text. And answer this question, which paragraphs? A, B, C, or D? First sentence. Included the writer's opinion. This is D. Gives information about the title name of the directors and the genre. This is A. Describes the main points of the plot. This is B. Comments on the special effects plot and the cast. This is C. Watch this video and do a film review. What film is about?
Boys, come and see this.
Isn't it great?
Dad, can we swim in there?
Yeah, we can go swimming, yeah.
Go get it, Lucas.
The most scary bit for me,
And the water hit.
when I came up. And I was all on my own. And then I saw the two of you. I didn't feel so scared anymore. If Mummy and Lucas are on their own right now, I'm gonna keep looking for them.
One love,
I'm scared.
one life,
I'm scared too.
and it's one need in the night. One life
Thank you so much.
with each other, sister.
This is one's family's true tragic story of survival. You can watch this film. I recommended it for you. Watch this film. Okay, do exercise 7. Recommending. Fill in the appropriate phrase to complete the recommendations. Blockbuster was washing on the edge of your seat. Highly recommended it and miss it. Fourth sentence. This is on the edge of your seat. Second sentence, miss it. Third sentence, was washing. Fourth sentence, highly recommended it. And last sentence, blockbuster. Okay, home task, write a film review about your favorite film. About genre, lead actors, released year, who wants to write many films, your favorite film, you can write this film review. Okay, thank you for your attention. Goodbye, students.